2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, premium wheels, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, cruise control, keyless entry, Pioneer stereo, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, MP3 playback stereo, panoramic roof, rear spoiler. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.